Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to delete your Octa Trading account permanently, in this video I'll guide you through the official process step by step so you can close your account and erase your data safely. Let's get started. So before deleting your account, first withdraw any money you have. You can't fully close the account without clearing your balance first. Now launch your Octa Trading application. Tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and tap the gear icon. Scroll down and tap How to delete your profile at the bottom. So here we just have to follow the steps below, and it advises you clearly to close all your orders, withdraw your money, and then email them at deletemyprofile@octafx.com. So open your mailbox, compose a mail, and here or you can also send your mail to kyc@octafx.com if you're in the KYC process. So subject line should be something like this: request to delete my OctaFx account. And in your message, include your full name, the email address linked to your account number, and a brief reason for deletion, which is completely optional. Octa may ask for additional info like an ID copy, proof of past transactions, or address. This is to verify your identity before they proceed. After you send your request, Octa will review and respond, usually within a few days. When they approve it, they will guide you through final deletion steps. Once processed, you will receive confirmation that your account is permanently deleted and personal data has been erased. But yes, make sure you have withdrawn all funds, use your registered email address, and keep records of your communication. Once Octa confirms, your account and data will be permanently removed. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.